Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it's on the second page right over here. Once you find it, hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions by default. I recommend going in here at least once to check it out, change it to fit your needs, and once you have done so, you can close this and you don't have to ever come back here again. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on the toggle to enable it. Once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off. Now, this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.